Hey guys, it's Dan here with a new video, and today we're going to be looking at this. So obviously this is not here, it's a picture, and it's at my friend's house. It is an art piece and it's functional because they have a kid who's growing up. They don't want the kid to climb up onto the couch and accidentally fall over into the stairwell that's down below. So this was made to be an obstacle and also look nice. So if you haven't noticed, it is mountain range, and the mountain range is the Maroon Bells. So that's in Aspen, Colorado. So that is something that if you've been there, you will recognize the view. And you can see that we have some depth going on. So let's get into the build. All right, so that was really fun. We got to make that. So if you're confused at all on how I do this, I took a picture that I found of the Maroon Bells mountain range. I put it in Adobe Illustrator, drew lines around the image so that way I could have individual pieces for each of the mountain pieces. And then I made sure that the photo was saved inside each of those lines, sent that off each individually to my laser software. It figured all that out, drew out the pieces, cut them out, and then we had all those pieces. I clear coated them with a little bit of clear coat, sent them off. We sent them over to my friend's house. He and his father-in-law made the frame itself. It was just a simple one with like pocket holes and a floating plywood board on the inside. So we glued all that down, and then he and his father-in-law mounted it to the thing. After all that, it is perfectly good. We step back, look at it. Oh my goodness, it's so cool. So now their daughter can't crawl up, over, and fall down, but also it looks amazing. And if you couldn't tell, I had 3 different layers. So the back layer, the plywood that was in the very back, was the sky. And then just on top of that, which is the foreground background, so the sort of the main background, was the Maroon Bells Mountains. And then the foreground, which is the valley, that if you're looking at it from the actual place when you're hiking, it is the valley that you would see it through, and it's really iconic. So I wanted the iconic part of that to show. So we have this being the valley, this being the mountains, this being the sky. So it's 1, 2, 3, and it gives a visual depth like you would see if you're actually there. So that was the intent on it. I hope you guys enjoyed liking and watching this video. If you do, you can see some more videos over here, or make some more stuff. They're all in the past. And if you like stuff over here, you can join stuff in the future, or you can subscribe, or you could do the Patreon. I might be mixing those up. Who knows? All right, I'll see you guys in the next video.